When foundation issues reach the critical stage, the signs are almost impossible to ignore. We recently evaluated a home in Stillwater where the interior concrete slab was experiencing major foundation movement. There were separation gaps between the flooring and the baseboards, diagonal sheetrock cracks above doorways, and even separation between the ceiling and the interior walls. After a complete evaluation, we put together a comprehensive plan to stabilize the slab. We recommended polyurethane injection throughout the affected areas to restore stability and prevent further structural damage. The homeowners, who had been referred to us by previously satisfied customers, were extremely concerned about the security of their home. After answering their questions and providing an explanation of our findings, they told us they chose OFS because of our knowledge, reputation, and the confidence they felt after the evaluation. When the work was complete, they were relieved and grateful. In their own words, the team went above and beyond to fix the foundation problems. They were responsive, helpful, and kind. We really appreciate their work. That's what the critical stage is all about. Even when the signs feel overwhelming, the right plan, delivered with skill and care, can restore your home's stability and your peace of mind.